Good morning, children. Um, Today, last video, we have learned, we have read the second lesson and we learned some new words and we read the story, we understood that. Again, I will just recapitulate that previous knowledge. Mix up at birth is lesson 2 of your English reader. First in it, you this lesson is written by Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, a cricket player. He was born on July 10th, 1949. This lesson is totally about his one-day story after his birth. Okay. The immediate day, what he got mixed up with another child, fisherman. He slept beside fisherwoman, as it was occurred on time of taking bath, say giving bath to the children. Okay, they were mixed each other, and his uncle found it, and finally he replaced with the he got his own mother, as he was earlier he was replaced with a fisher boy, and fisher boy came and slept with his mother, and he went and slept with the fisherwoman. Okay, his uncle observed that a frantic search was went, and he was very ignorant that time. He doesn't know everyone. Infants doesn't know anything. Infant doesn't know anything what is happened around him or her. Uh, he was thanked God as he was marked with a special mark. What is the mark? That mark is he has a hole in the left earlobe. Okay, this is the story. He was very thankful to his mother, his uncle, sorry, his uncle Nan Kaka, Mr. Narayan Masvekar. Okay, this is the story of one day history, one day story of his Sunil Gavaskar. It was written in sunny days. It was written by Sunil Gavaskar, his autobiography. Okay, now we completed this page number 14. Okay, we had B.7, B.8 left to recapitulate again. Now we are going to do that one. I'm grateful. See B.7. Read the following extract and answer the questions given. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. This is the extract. This, these two sentences taken from the lesson. That is called extract. Okay. And based on this extract, we have to answer. Who is I in the above line? I is Sunil Gavaskar. See, this question is asked in the present tense. We have to answer in the present tense only. Okay. I is Sunil Gavaskar. I is mentioned above in the line is Sunil Gavaskar. I is I refers to Sunil Gavaskar. That also we can write. Why is the speaker grateful to his uncle? As the speaker is grateful to uncle as uh, the uncle, Mr. Narayan Masvekar, observed, noticed that he has a hole, and second day he found he found him, he was replaced with a fisher woman. Okay, fisher boy. What does the expression nature mark me out? Nature mark me out means a special thing, a special uh, mm, thing happen. A special mark is given by the God. Nature mark means he has a hole on the left earlobe. That is the nature mark me out. It is okay. The expression nature mark me out means the nature had given a special mark, that is a hole on the left top of the left earlobe. Okay. Based on that, because of that only he was found. As when he was replaced by another boy, he was found because of this nature mark. Okay. Answer the following questions. B.8. What did Mr. Narayan Maswekar notice on his first visit to the hospital? When Mr. Narayan Maswekar noticed that, see here, these are three extract questions are given in the present tense. Now, when you come to that question answers, it is given in the past tense. Okay. What did Mr. Narayan Maswekar notice? Mr. Narayan Maswekar noticed that the child has a mark, a hole on the top of the left earlobe when he visited to the hospital for the first time. Okay. Why was Mr. Narayan Maswekar horrified on his second visit to the hospital? Horrified means uh, feared. Oh no, threatened, feared. Okay. When Mr. Narayan Maswekar was horrified on his second visit to the hospital because, see here, when a question asked with why is a reason. So you should start, you should write the same as the remaining part and write because. Don't start the answer with because. You should write Mr. Narayan Maswekar was horrified on his second visit to the hospital because he was uh, noticed that the same child was not there with Sunil Gavaskar mother. On the second day, the same child was not there in the crib. Where was the baby found? The baby was found in the fisher woman beside the fisherwoman. Okay. Now, what would have happened if Nan Kaka had not visited the hospital again on the second day? Obviously, no one noticed the hole. Only Mr. Narayana Maswekar, only uncle Nan Kaka found it. So, as usual, the child might not be replaced. He Sunil Gavaskar may be maybe grown up as a um, fisherman. When did the newborn babies got mixed up? When that when they were the hospital staff giving the bath to the children. They were the newborn babies got mixed up at the time of bathing. Okay, these are the question answers. We will give answers. I will send as we had written in the lesson one. I will give one day meanings and make on sentences. The other day question answers. The other day extracts, and the last final day question answers and VBQ or some other changes. We will give less work to write each day. Okay. Life skill. Sunil Gavaskar was reunited with his family. Okay, we will discussed already about the observation skill. Okay, I will give answer uh, while giving the question answers. B.10, get into groups of four. Go on fact finding safari. Collect information of your favorite sports personality or collage making. You have to do. This is an activity you have to do. Okay. Now B.11, it's a diary entry. Till now we did not teach you diary entry, but you just get the knowledge about it. After teaching diary entry rating skill, we will complete that. Okay. Rohit, just read it. Rohit has won the chess championship of his school. After coming back home, he writes his feelings in his personal diary. Read what he has written. See who has written this diary entry? Rohit, as he won the chess championship. Diary entry is nothing but what had happened the whole day. They will write in extract form, the small, they will write in a comprehension form, a small paragraph. Okay. See, all the maximum diary entry will be in the past tense only. Okay. I won the Red Cross Chess Championship today. You should mention the date. Okay. day in the writing diary entry writing skill, day, date, time we should write. But here they had given only day. So some writing skill we have to follow some format. Here only date given, but actually in diary entry writing skill we have to write a day, date, time. I won the Red Grass Chess Championship today. It was a very exciting match, um, which lasted an hour and off. It was lasted, means the game was for an hour, 1.5 hour. It was very nervous in the beginning, but slowly I gained my confidence. My hands were shaking when I received the trophy. It was the happiest moment of my life. This is the diary entry of a person. So they had written, that Rohan had written this diary. Next page, they had given a question, B.12. Suppose the baby with whom Sunil was exchanged reads this story. What would be his reaction? This is the story. So he, in the lesson last, Sunil Gavaskar expected that his story will be read by the replaced child, the fisherman child. Okay. Now, suppose that fisherman read this story, how it will be, uh, what is his feeling? You would imagine, see, imagine you are the baby, that fisherman's son or fisherwoman's son. Now, grown into a successful businessman with many fishing boats for the deep sea fishing. Taking clues from the above diary extract, describe your feelings about the incident in the space given below. What I said that this diary entry should always be written in the past form. See, because the whole day you are writing the past actions done, the whole day you are writing it in the evening. Before going to bed, we'll write diary usually. So we should write in the past tense. That's why you should write here date when you are going to write. We will do this work in the class. After teaching this, uh, it's a little bit confusion. I will discuss with you in the class, and we will complete this task in the class B.12. Okay. Then now we had completed A section at true friend, B section mix up at birth, B bit, sorry, B bit mix up at birth. Now C bit we came here. Okay. Do you know that Kabaddi is one of the oldest games, but the most famous games of rural India? To know more about this game, let us listen to Miss Datta, who is telling us students about the game. Before you listen to the conversation, study the picture at C.2 carefully. Fill up the space provided in the exercise C.2 as you listen to Miss Datta. Here, this is the story. Here, I said earlier that each unit there are 4 skills: speaking, reading, writing, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Writing part we are doing in the classwork, and diary entry is also under comes under writing part. And listening is this is the listening. Now we will play CD now. You have one CD along with the textbook they had given at the back. It was sticked in the cover. Once you see that and you play that. My CD is, I think it's not working properly. Just I will play in between, some sound will be. I will play. How to do, I will tell. You do the work at home. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with correct information. I will play the CD, listen that, follow the instructions, and listening that, and you, based on that only you should fill up the blanks here. Number of players in each side, the team that is dash is the winner, the magic word to be chanted is like that they had given. You listen the CD, and some oral questions also there along with this. You have to answer that answer. This is the task based on the listening. This is nothing but listening test. Okay. Now we will play the uh, that audio.
This program is designed by the DAV College Managing Committee for the students of Class 4. This program is shaped to improve the communication and, in particular, the listening skills of the students. In addition to this, it also intends to improve the attention span and concentration of the students by asking some questions based on the text pieces. Hi students, I welcome you all to this communicative learning program in which we will listen to a variety of interesting text pieces and conversations. These text pieces are from your book titled My English Reader Class 4. While dealing with various units such as sports, wit and humor, travel and fantasy, etc., we would encourage you to listen to the linked listening passages as well. We will also do some exercises to assess whether you were listening attentively or not.
Children, I tried to play this CD is my son's last 4 year back, so it is not playing properly. You have your own CD, okay, along with your textbook they had given. Please play that. Keep in your CD player and you play that, and based on the listening that you should fill in the blanks. Here, page number 18. Okay, we'll go for next C.3. Get into four groups. Get into groups of four. Imagine that a famous sports personality of the group's choice, your choice, visits your school. Collect relevant information about the personality. One student is D. Okay, assumes the role of the famous personality. Means what? He enacted as a famous personality. He or she answers the questions asked by the other three students A, B, C. The questions are given below. Here it's a role play. It's a kind of role play. There are A, B, C, D, four characters are there. So you just imagine your favorite sports personality. Okay, it's a group activity we will do in the class, but I will explain now. Get into four groups. A, B, in the class. Four members in each group. We will divide, and then you have to enact in that way. It's a role play. Okay. Now speaking skill will develop with this. Now this D bit. C bit is based on the listening. A bit is a true friend, the lesson. B bit is mixed bed birth lesson. C bit is listening. Now D bit is based on your reading skill. That is read it yourself. When what in the there are four units are there. No, each unit you have DD bits. Read it yourself means you should read it yourself. Teacher will not explain this. Okay, based on the reading you should get the gist of that book, gist of that story. Okay, mostly for your knowledge, for your age stories only will be given. Now we will read it how to. Along with that you should improve the reading skills. Okay, read the story, understand, and read your improve your reading skill. Okay, A few years ago, I will read it yourself. What's really important? This is the lesson name, the story name. A few years ago, at the a few years ago at the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled at the starting line of the 100-meter race. At the whistle, they all started out to run the race and win the Olympic prize. There was, however, one boy down who fell down a few times and began to cry. The other 8 children heard the boy's cry. They slowed down and paused. Then they all turned around and went back. One girl bent down and kissed him. She said, "This will make you better." Then all the 9 linked arms and walked together to finish the line. Everyone in the stadium stood up, and the cheering went for 10 minutes. Okay, this is the story. You should, I hope you understand this story. This is the story of running race of disabled personalities. Okay, disabled participants. Disabled means you should, while reading, you don't stuck with that unknown meaning, that new word. Okay, disabled here, assembled. Okay, so for some people, everyone has their unique new word. Okay, so if you have the habit of reading books, this new vocabulary will be improved. Okay, you will get new vocabulary. This is the reading skill debit. Now here we tape script. This is the tape script. Just now we listen in the audio. Full will be here. Okay, a test of strength. Who tu tu. This is the listening skill. Okay, you just listen. Don't read this one. Okay, just listen and answer in page number this one. Based on the listening, you complete this. Okay, and after listening, you listen once more. Your eyes will read this, and your ears will hear the sound. Okay, listen the audio and read this context and text. Okay, and this is the unit 1 we completed. Now, as I earlier said in the A bit, sportsmanship. After completing these 2 lessons, we will discuss about the sportsmanship. I said, now you can write what words you should write in the sportsmanship. Why? What a sportsman should have? What are the qualities? Okay, first, teamwork. I'm saying that these are the my opinion. These are the words of my opinion. You can write your opinion. Just I'm giving 6 to 7 words. Okay, 6 to 7 words I will give. You just which one is suitable. Each blurb should have only one word. Okay, a sportsman should have a teamwork. If the single game, if he is athlete like that, it may not suitable. Okay, if group teamwork means it should have a team. The sports that like kabaddi, we should maintain the teamwork. But a running race, we should not follow the teamwork, because we are we are participating individually. So it is not suitable for that. Okay, just I'm saying that teamwork, stay positive. It always useful for all. Respect the rules, discipline, punctual, self-confident, commitment, time management. These I had given. If you want to add more, also you can write. I had given each blurb should have one word. You may add more, one or two, three words. If you are able to write three, three, you can write two, two, you can write. Okay. Mm. Then this is the end of unit 1. After this, I will give the notes for this daily. I will give one day new words and make on sentences. Then second day extract and question answers. The third day I will give VBQ, or value based question or life skill question. Okay. Thank you, children. You should read the lesson again again. True friend makes a bed, but read the lesson. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.